If you ever see a man from Grenada, blade. That's all.
What the you say?
At the word me step, my charger gonna step. Hey, what was it?
Sing with me, bro. Sing with me. So listen. Baby girl, come at me spoil, yo.
Baby girl, come here and spoil, yo.
Give you anything you like.
Give you anything you like.
What's the word to Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction? Back in the video for you guys. So today we have part 3. Damn, part 3. I started this shit last week. But y'all love it when these Americans try to sing Caribbean music. Now for today's video, we have Jamaica. We have Grenada. We have Barbados in this. Hey, yo, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. And guys, if you want a part 4, let me get 500 likes and you get a part 4 right now. So go crazy in that like button. Spam the flag emojis and guess what? I'm out of here. Wait. We got a sponsor for today. Now I'm gonna give y'all something that y'all need. Because say you're from the Caribbean and you feel like getting a job is hard. No. Today I got this website called Akandle.com. It's gonna be the first link down below in the description of this video. Click the link, check it out. Jobs galore. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show you what really happens when you click the link. So when you click the link, bam, it goes to their site. This is on a mobile device. Now right now, you're gonna put where you live at, the state where you're staying at, for example. So I put New York, just for example, I'm not in New York, and job, title, or skill that you have basically. You feel me? So say you're a female and you want to be a CNA basically. So you want to be a CNA, so CNA simple as put in that's what you're looking for, right? That's what you're looking for. A caregiver basically. Search it up. Bam! It goes down, it shows you the requirements and where. Look, it's right there in front of you. Jobs. Certified jobs. Let me just show you a quick example now of what happens. So we'll click the first one and see what happens, right? Bam! What that? That's the application right there. That's all you need, people. Go check out Akandle.com right now if you need a job. Alright, so we're here with
David.
So you familiar with the Caribbean, bro?
Huh?
Caribbean. You familiar with the Caribbean?
Yeah.
Name one Caribbean island except Jamaica.
Ooh, I don't know no Caribbean islands.
You just told me you was familiar with the Caribbean, bro.
Yeah, but I don't know the islands by name.
That's very true. Bahamas. You ever heard of Bahamas before?
Yeah, I've heard of the Bahamas,
Okay.
yeah.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Barbados.
What are you talking about, man?
Okay, I lost it there. Anyway, so today we're doing a little Caribbean music shit. I'm gonna have you sing some Caribbean music. I'm gonna sing it to you though.
Okay.
Just want you to recite it.
Okay.
So I got 3 countries. You're gonna choose one. I'm gonna give you a song from there.
Okay.
So I got Jamaica, I got Barbados, and I got Grenada. Which one you feel?
Barbados.
Barbados?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it's a simple shit. It's simple and it's not simple. You ready?
Okay.
So, anyway, me step, my charge is going step because my charge is stepping with a AR.
Do it one more time.
Anywhere me step, my charge is going step because my charge is stepping with a AR.
Anyway, me step my charge, you guys step on my charge, you stepping with a AR.
Give it a shot.
At the word me step, my charger gonna step. Hey, what was
Because
it?
my charge is
He
stepping
step
with a AR.
with the AR.
Anywhere me step,
And where me step,
my charge is going step
my charger gonna step.
because my charge is stepping with a AR.
My charger stepping with the okay.
Yes, sir, you got that.
Anywhere me step, my charger gonna step. Charger gonna step to the AR. Okay.
Yes, sir. I got that. I'm gonna give you one more from Grenada.
Okay.
If you ever see a man from Grenada, blade. That's all.
One more
If you
time.
ever see a man from Grenada, blade.
Well, if you ever diss a man from Grenada, you ever tell man suck their mother.
If you ever diss a man from Grenada, bleed.
Alright, there you go, sir. Yes, sir. Show your shit out, bro.
DJ2 _ Joseph and Good Citizen SCL. We're releasing music all summer. Get ready.
Yes, sir. We here with. Yeah, people. So right now, you know what we're doing already, right? So today, you see his face, you know what's happening. You know what's popping?
Brand new whip just hopped in.
Uh.
Sucking your dick like a big man. I'ma
Like
just
your
suck.
biscuit?
No, like a big man.
Like a big man.
Sucking your dick like a big man.
Burn them up here in the comment section right now. Anyway, so right now, yeah, you don't need to know. Anyway, so we have for today's video, we have Jamaica, we have Barbados, and we have Grenada. Which song you feel like you want to sing today?
Oh, I know Grenade. That's by Bruno Mars. I get your grenade for ya. You even know it too. So I won. Can I go now?
No, bitch. Anyways, so which one you want? You want Grenada, you say?
Yeah. You don't know the damn shit to your own shit, man. Hurry up.
If you ever see a man from Grenada, Blade. That's all.
What the fuck did he just say?
Wake up, Mutex.
Tyrekevlogs.
Ready. If you ever see a man from Grenada, Blade.
If you ever see a man from Grenada, bleed it.
I said this. You ain't getting off that easy. If you ever this a man from Grenada.
If you ever did some man, this a man from Grenada. Man mean money. If you ever need some money, this from Grenada. This a man. Bumba clats.
I'm out of here, y'all. Peace out. So we're here with
Jordan?
Jordan. Jordan, are you familiar with the Caribbean?
Not really.
Do you know any Caribbean islands at all?
Not at all.
Alright, so today I got a tongue twister for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna sing you a Caribbean song and you just gonna sing it back to my audience.
Alright.
Think you can do that?
I can try my best.
Alright, so I got three countries I want you to choose from. We got Jamaica, we got Barbados, and we got Grenada. So which one you want me to sing for you?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Let me see. Alkaline song called Spoiler. Listen, keenly. Baby girl, come at me spoil. Yo, give you anything you like.
I ain't say it.
I'm gonna break it down. Listen, let's try it. Follow me. So, baby girl, come at me spoil. Yo.
What you gonna come in and squad? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Baby girl,
Baby girl,
come at me spoil. Yo.
come and spoil you.
Give you anything you like.
Yeah, anything you like.
Come on, sing with me, bro. Sing with me. So, listen. Baby girl, come at me spoil. Yo.
Baby girl, come and spoil you.
Give you anything you like.
Yeah, anything you like.
Alright, there you go. You fucks with it.
Can I fuss with it?
Alright, bro. See you later.
Shit, I'm
Social distance.
right.
Anyways, so we're here with.
Quan the Don, man.
You're the Don?
Yeah, I'm the Don.
Where?
Everywhere.
Anyways, y'all, so I'm gonna test you. We're gonna try and twist your tongue up with some Caribbean music today.
Twist my tongue up.
Yes. First of all, name one Caribbean island without naming Jamaica.
Y'all know that show from Two Pairs of Kings? Yeah,
No.
that's Caribbean. Yeah. On me, yeah. Yeah, on me, yeah.
That's an island?
Yeah.
What's it called? A Caribbean island.
Yeah, on me, yeah.
Anyways, bruh, so I got, what should I say? I'm gonna give you 3 countries. You're gonna choose one. I'm gonna sing a song to you from the country that you choose and you're gonna sing it back. You ready?
Yeah.
So we got Jamaica, we got Barbados,
Barbados, yeah.
and we have Grenada.
Great. Yeah.
Which one you want?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Alright, I got you.
I'm from Jamaica, so.
You know what? I'm gonna do a throwback song. You know Bob Marley, right?
Yep.
Sing a Bob Marley song, bro.
Bob Marley song?
Let's sing a Bob Marley song, bro.
You start singing, and I'm gonna jump in.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't worry
Hey,
about a thing.
about a thing. Be happy.
Bro, I'm gonna give you something. I'm gonna give you something for real. I'm gonna give you a Rising King song. You understand me? Girl, I said the thing tough. That's all.
Hold on. One more time.
Girl, I said the thing tough.
Girl, I said it in tough.
Little ting tough.
Girl, I said the thing tough.
Gotta say the ting tough.
Tough. Ice and chaser.
Yep.
Yo, peace out, y'all. Get a car. A little show off looking ass motherfucker. Anyway, so we're here with
Cam.
Cam.
Yeah.
At the camera.
Cam. Yeah.
Cam, alright, bro. So you familiar with the Caribbean?
Fucking with the Caribbean.
You know any Caribbean islands at all?
Nah.
None at all.
None at all.
You know any Caribbean music?
None at
No
all.
reggae, no dancehall, nothing.
None of that.
Alright, so today I got a little challenge for you. I'm gonna sing you a Caribbean song,
All right.
and I want you to sing it back to my audience. That's all.
All right.
So we got 3 countries I want you to choose from.
All right.
We got Jamaica. We got, what was I doing? We got Grenada, and we have
Barbados.
Barbados.
You want Barbados?
I'm going with Barbados. The sound.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
It's a tongue twister, right? You feel? Listen to me keenly. So, anyway, me step my charge, you gon' step cause my charge is stepping with a AR.
Stepping with it.
That's the only part you got. So, I'm gonna break it down for you. Anywhere me step,
Anywhere me step,
my charge is going step
my charge is going to step.
because my charge is stepping with a AR.
Cause my charge is stepping with it. Yeah.
Sing with me now. Anywhere me step,
Step,
my charge is going
step with me. Cause I got it.
stepping with a AR.
Hey.
Alright, that's crazy. I'm gonna show you the original song though. I'm gonna show you the original. Damn, bro. All shades and shit.